How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm shooting via GoPro right now, so it's a little different vibe, a little more close and personal. But today I want to give you some insights on Easy1up, exactly why I got joined with the company, and pretty much if you're looking to make some money online, this is a great alternative. Great products, great compensation plan, and a really great amount, I should say, to hit those income goals. Anyways, to start off, Easy1up is a digital product company. You know, they offer digital products with training suitable to get the newest type of person that had no background in marketing, hip and ready to go, really understanding ad copy, understanding how it works, how we find people, how we get our offers in front of people on a daily, consistent basis. So you're going to figure out what product package exactly you like, what's included that fits you, the budget, because you know it starts anywhere from $25 to $2,000. And you're going to figure out what best fits you. And also, to be real, give yourself a gap for a marketing budget. So say you come in and you don't want to do the slow route things, you know, free advertising, social media, you know, branding, building your Facebook. You know, these things take time. Say you want to get right in and you want to get people to your link quick. Keep a advertising budget in mind. You know, whether it's $40 a week, $50 a week, at least so you can get your link in front of people, you know, on a weekly basis, guaranteed. No guarantee sales, but guarantee you'll get eyes to your business. And pretty much that's the gist of what Easy1up represents. They have a great compensation plan. It's pretty much simple, 100% commission. So if someone comes in at the $25 level, you'll get paid $25 level, and you'll only be able to get paid on the product level that you join and anything before that. So if you come in at the 250 level, you'll get paid on the 250 level and anything before the 250 level. So if someone comes in a level after you, it goes to your sponsor, and you only have to pass up one referral. The power in a pass up system is, say you bring in one person, they go out and get a few people, you get to get one of their sales, and it's only one sale, but it's really getting paid twice on one person, which is a little bit of leverage. This is not a multi-level marketing thing, so there's no team building, but that gives you an incentive, you know, for getting that person. You know, you can leverage a little bit, get a little extra money before you have to go get that second referral. I'm going to give you the training, obviously, that comes with the company, but I also have good team training and a lot of it. I can show you how to market on just about any platform and how to do it efficiently, effectively, and consistently. And I'll give you exactly how I'm getting people, how I found you, how I get traffic on a consistent basis, and exactly what I'm doing. I'm not going to give you no fluff. I'm not scared to give my secrets. I'm going to give you exactly what it takes to make it to the next level. And I can go on and on about the company bonuses, but the moral of the story is, be ready to take action and be ready to not want to do this, but to do this. A lot of people join these companies, they see the hype, they see the flash, they get in. What next? What do I do? When do I start making money? When does the money come in? It takes work. It's marketing. It's affiliate marketing. So you're going to have an affiliate product, such as digital products you have right now, and you have to market it. You have to drive traffic to your offer. So it's not get rich quick, it's not scammy, it's not pyramid. You have to get sales and get people to your offer, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So come in ready to get to it. Like I said, if you come in with an advertising budget, I know everyone doesn't have an advertising budget, we can get eyes to your offer as quick as today. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long on Easy1up. I just got in, made my first $250 sale within the first day. hour of work. I didn't even get to work the whole day because I was setting myself up as well as setting up my new person. But yeah, results aren't typical. It's kind of weird holding this GoPro. It's like it's really in my hand. But results aren't typical, but anyone can do this. Everyone's on the internet and everyone's looking for something else to do. So stay tuned. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you on the other side.